Let me know when you're taking the picture, Nika, and I'll put the cocktail over in the sun. Got it? Okay, here you go. Teka. Kulang yung wine. Hindi nakikita yung wine na isa.
Nasa ba tayo ngayon, Ate Army?
We're in Solvang.
Solvang.
Parang sa Food and Wine magazine. Yeah. Cheers.
Bermuda Triangle.
Is that a video?
Yeah.
Bumabagsak yung mukha ko, maririnig ni Mami. Hindi makalimutan yung bumabagsak ang mukha niya. Okay, do we need...
The knives right there.
Okay.
So we're in Solvang. Nandito kami, iniinom kami.
Curious about this
After ng aming late lunch.
Ano sabi niya dyan?
On the way kami
Something?
to LA.
Bermuda Triangle.
Bermuda Triangle? Oh, yeah.
Going to LA. Galing kami sa Hearst Castle pero hindi ko nakuha ng video. Tsaka doon sa... what's that place?
Morro Bay.
Morro Bay. Maganda pa naman lugar sa iyo.
I like that one.
And this was the preparation for Dika's birthday sa Sabado. 21 na siya, pwede na siyang tumoma after this.
Can I? Here, Mama.
Ayun ang pulutan namin. Isang shot lang kami bago kami dumiretso pa uwi ng LA.
Sun-dried tomatoes?
Which is 2 hours and a half away from here. So, ayan lang.
Masarap po.
Mommy, Daddy,
That and that together.
El Nelson, C, and
The what?
The cracker.
Xavier.
Hindi natin therapy para
Marami pa yan, may mga kukunan pa ako sa lakad namin. Kasi bakasyon kami ni Edit ngayon. 2 weeks kami bakasyon.
Hindi naman siya maaano dyan. Malalasing masyado. Dahil busog tayo.
Okay, so today's Tuesday, August 4. Pupunta na kami sa Sedona, Arizona. But bago kami dumating doon, dumaan kami dito sa tawag nila Joshua Tree Park. Ang mga attraction dito are yung mga kanilang mga rocks formation. Yung mga malalaking bato yan. So
You want to stop here? Pictures?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly.
now, nasa tayo? Nasa Joshua Tree.
Joshua Tree National Park.
Okay. Alright. Now, napakainit dito. Parang impyerno. Ayan. Titurn ko lang ang video sideways. There you go. Yan ang kabuuan niya. See that? So ito na yung Saan galing yung, ano yan?
Another one.
Isa sa billiard, pool, ano ba tawag doon? Taco?
I'm gonna change the angle.
Ano tawag dyan? Saan galing yan?
Tara na.
Saan galing yan? Nagpipicture yan, picture na kayo.
Ready?
Pinahiram niya.
I don't know how to work
Ito
this
na lang
thing.
yung angle.
Basta pipindutin mo lang.
Okay, you wanna? I know how to do it.
Wala mo ako ng picture dito.
Ah, mainit na ano sa likod ah.
Saan yung binili yan? Sa Divisoria ba yan?
No,
Ha?
Online, sa
I think
Amazon.
Therese let us borrow it. She bought it so we could use it. I never held a selfie stick. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ma, don't do that. That looks weird.
Oh.
That looks what?
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Oh, cannot send message. Try again.
You want to? Can I see it? Here, here. Let's take. I'll do it. It's okay. I don't care.
Yeah. Actually, there you go. That is a better view. Because you get that and you get the one behind you. Okay, I'll take. Give me your camera. I'll take a picture of all of you guys.
Wow.
Yeah. Wala tayong sunset na maayos noon.
Hindi ko
There was no
kinukuha ng
sun.
picture, kinukuha naman ng video. Okay. Dito na kami sa Sedona, Arizona.
And then mention, sabi mo, Brian.
Papunta na kami ng...
Brian, this is what we miss. It's the sunset.
Papunta na kami sa hotel.
Oh, how beautiful! Look! Oh, gorgeous. Castle Rock is what we're looking for. Oh, nice.
What was that term?
Castle Rock. So we're gonna have 3 roundabouts. .6 miles.
Pinag-drive namin ng 11 hours.
Oh, ang gaganda ako sa kanan mo.
Bukas ang magkuha. Di ba di? Bukas.
Bago din yan. This section here, I don't remember that.
Ganda oh. So
How
beautiful.
gorgeous!
Doon dinadayo. Sedona Village, Pampanga. Malapit pala siya sa city, yung ano niya, no? Sa city pala to Sedona.
Oo, yeah.
Oh, I see.
City siya.
Oh, kaya pala.
So choose one more and then we'll see Castle Rock. Oh man, it's so gorgeous. Okay, now we look for Castle Rock. We will make a right. Castle Rock. Well, we hope we have sun. Okay. Make a right. And then take the first left onto Canyon Diablo Road.
Yeah.
Here it is. Okay, and the number is 45 Canyon Diablo Road. 45 Canyon Diablo Road. Ours is
45, it's in here.
okay.
I saw the mailbox.
Okay, okay.
Oh, here, Lydia.
Oh, I wonder what rock that is.
Get it from your ankle.
The side ni Ate Army, bigyan mo kay Ate Army.
It's already on.
This is 175 or 179? 179.
Same view.
Oh, look. Oh, it's gorgeous.
So when the sun is setting, this side is getting the setting light.
Oh, okay.
It's getting that different kind of light. Light's coming from over the east this time.
Oh,
That looks
okay.
great.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go, Nanay. Come on.
Come on. Where is Donna right now? Ito yung mga rocks formation dito. Ito ito yung malapit ang shot ito, pero maganda ito sa malayo.
Yes. Jay, nakalak na ba ito? Hindi pa.
Hindi pa siguro, hindi pa. Punta kami doon sa Holy Cross Chapel ito. Dito sa Sedona, Arizona.
Oh, you're right.
Kasi sila mami nakarating na rin dito. Yeah. Okay.